Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might need to move your assets between exchanges. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XDC from Kraken to Binance in 2025. XDC is a popular token, and transferring it securely is key to avoiding any hiccups. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to protect your funds. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have accounts on both Kraken and Binance and that your XDC is in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually on the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find XDC and click on it. Next, select the Withdraw option. Kraken will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to choose the XDC network. Make sure it's the correct one, like the XDC network, to match what's supported on Binance. Now, enter your Binance wallet address. To get this, log into Binance, go to your wallet, find XDC, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into Kraken to avoid any errors. Before confirming, check the withdrawal amount and any fees. Kraken might charge a small fee, and there's often a network fee too, so enter an amount that covers everything. Once you're set, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email or two-factor authentication for security. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a few hours for the transaction to process, depending on network congestion. Head over to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your XDC should appear soon. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use secure connections. If you run into issues, both exchanges have support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.